Good morning, one and all. This is Jagdish from Shrestha Vidya Bhavan. In the previous class, we discussed about the chapter 1 knowing our numbers. That is, chapter 1 knowing our numbers. In this chapter, we discussed about the what is numbers and what is natural numbers and comparing and estimating of numbers. We discussed already the comparing of two numbers. We discussed about two numbers only. We have to compare the both numbers, that is 3 and 4. About two numbers we have to compare, but we did not compare the one number. Okay, we did not compare a single number. That is, now in the topic, now we have discussed about the more numbers in the comparison of numbers. Comparing numbers. Now, for example, take an example of 36, 45, 59. These are the three numbers. First, we have to compare the two numbers. Any two numbers we have to compare. We are taking the two numbers of 36 and 45. Now, we have to compare those two numbers. That indicates here one. The comparison of the two numbers, that is 36 and 45. We have to compare those two numbers first of all. Okay. Now, this is the ones place, tens place, and in this number ones place, tens place. Now, we have to compare the largest tenth digit, that is 3. 3 is the digit in the tens place, and in the next number 4 is the digit in the next number, that is having the tens place. The digit is 4. Okay. Now we have to compare what is the number here, that is which one is the greatest number. That means we have to compare with the symbol of 3 is less than 4. That means 3 is less than 4. That means 4 is the greatest number. Then we identify that 36 is the smallest number and 45 is the largest number in these two comparison of numbers. Okay. Now we know that it is the greatest number. Now next number, the third number, indicate we have to compare the second number to third number. We have to compare the second number to third number. That is, in this also ones place and tens place of digits. That is, in the tens place, it is having the 5 is the digit of in the tens place, and the same in the second number 45 having the number which has 4. And we have to compare the 4 and 5. That is comparison of two numbers. Which one is the greatest number and which one is the smallest number? Now 4 is less than 5. 4 is less than 5. That means 5 is the greatest number here. 5 is the greatest number. 5 is the greatest number means the total number, it is the greatest number. Greatest number or biggest number. 59 here. The comparison of three numbers, the 59 number is the greatest number and the 36 number is the smallest number. Smallest number. Now, in this comparison of 36 is the smallest and the 59 number is the greatest number. Comparison, greater than symbol indicates greater than. This symbol indicates the greater than, and this symbol indicates the less than. And equal to indicates the equal. Now, for example, Take some example. Now 3 and 9. What is the symbol for this? 3 is the, we know that 3 is the smallest number and 9 is the greatest number. Why? Because of both are in the ones place. We know about the 3 is the smallest number and the 9 is the greatest number. What is the symbol it is used? 3 is greater than 9 or less than 9? Greater than 9 or less than 9? It is 3 is the less than 9. That means we have to use here less than symbol. Okay. Now next one is 12 is a number and 8 is a number. In this we know that here 2 digits are there and here 1 digit is there. That means the 2 digits indicates the more number and it is the greatest number. 12 is the greatest number and 8 is the smallest number. What is the symbol we have to use here? Which one is greater than? Greater than symbol. That means greater than. And next one, last one, equal to. Equal to. The symbol indicates equal to. That means both numbers are equal. That means 6, 6. Okay. Now both numbers are equal here. Same like that, we have to use the symbol equal to. Okay. Equal to. The next topic is ascending order and descending order. Okay. Ascending order and descending order. Now we have to arrange the numbers. First of all, write the definition of ascending order. Ascending order. Okay. Now the definition of ascending order is arrange the numbers from smallest to largest. In this ascending order, arrange the numbers from smallest to largest are called ascending order. For example, we have to take the example of ascending order. Now note it. First one, example first one, that is numbers 44, 69, 36, 12, 27. These are the 5 numbers in the given question, that is 44, 69, 36, 12, 27. Now we have to arrange that in ascending order. Okay, ascending order means arrange the numbers from smallest to largest. In this comparison, we have to compare the numbers. Already we discussed in the previous class about the comparison of numbers. Now we have to compare these 5 numbers. Which one is the smallest number? We have to identify. That is, we have to identify from right side of the digit. From left side of the digit, we have to identify this is the tens place ones and tens place ones, tens place ones place, tens place ones place, tens place ones place. And in the tens place, there is a smallest digit 1. Remaining all are greater digits. That means 12 is the smallest number. Now write in the ascending order. Write in the ascending order. Ascending order, 12 is the smallest number. That means smallest to largest we have to arrange the numbers. 12 comma. And next, what is the smallest number here? And the 3. Tens place 3. And the 36 is the smallest number. Next one is 36 is the next one is the 27 is the smallest number. Here 2 is there, no? That's why 27 is the smallest number. And next is the 36 is the smallest number. And next one, what is the smallest number? Remaining 2 numbers, that is 44 and 69. That is 44 is the smallest number. And last number is the 69 is the greatest number. Now we have to arrange in the order of ascending order from smallest numbers to greatest numbers. Now we will discuss about the descending order. Then second one is the descending order. Descending order. In the definition of descending order is arrange the numbers from biggest to smallest. Okay. Now in the descending order, we have to arrange the numbers from biggest to smallest number. And the descending order is a decreasing order, and the ascending order is a increasing order. Okay. Now in the descending order, we have to arrange the numbers from biggest to smallest numbers. Now take some examples about the descending order. Now write the examples of the question 96, 35, 64, 23, 77. This is the given question about with the numbers. Now 96, 35, 64, 23 and 77. These are the numbers. Now we have to arrange in the descending order. What is the definition of descending order? Arrange the numbers from biggest to smallest are called descending order. Now arrange it in the descending order. Descending order. Now arrange in the descending order. Now what is the biggest number here? What is the biggest number? Here in the place value of tens place, this is the 9 is the biggest number, and remaining are smallest number, smallest digits. Okay, in the tens place 9 is the biggest digit. In the remaining tens place, remaining numbers of tens place, the smallest numbers, smallest digits are formed. Like that, we have to arrange the first one biggest number 96, and next number, what is the next number? 7. That means 77 is the next number, and the next is 64. 64 is the third number, and remaining two comparison of these two numbers 35 and 23. 35 is the biggest number, and 23 is the smallest number. Now in this order, in this descending order, 96, the resultant answer is 96, 77, 64, 35 and 23. This is the answer for the descending order. Now take another example. Take another example on descending order. Now, second example, 236, 109, 315, 655. Now, these are the four numbers indicated with the R in the 3 digits. Now, arrangement in the descending order. Arrange in the descending order, that is the first one biggest number. Which one is the biggest number? 655 is the biggest number. Now write it 655. And next one, what is the next second biggest number? 315. Why? Because of in the hundreds place, the 3 is the bigger, remaining 2 are small. That's why 315. And next comparison of two remaining two numbers, we got the 236 is the biggest number, next biggest number. And what is the remaining number is, the smallest number is, very smallest number, that is 109. Okay. Now, what is the answer of the descending order in this question? The descending order of in this question 655, 315, 236, and 109 is the resultant answer for the descending